Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can freeze frame your videos on CapCut PC. So select your video and add it to your timeline and go to the part where you want to freeze the video. I'm going to freeze it about here. So make sure you select the clip, go to the part, and then select the freeze button. If you don't select it, the button will be won't be there, sorry. Again, here I'm going to press the freeze button, and then again here, and then again here. Okay, now once you're done with that, you kind of adjust it. So let me just turn this. You can adjust it so the freeze frame isn't too long by just pressing this button. And what I like to do is adding a black and white filter on it. So here I'm going to select the filters button and I'm going to add the black and white filter, and I'm going to add it to all of the frozen frame. And this is what it should look like at the end, sorry. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!